Scream and howl, feckless mortals! Shudder in the face of true evil! Ha 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 ha!
King Piccolo. The vile Demon King once waged war on peace and justice, determined to instill terror in their stead. It was truly an age of darkness, but then, when it seemed that all hope was lost, a lone warrior rose to the challenge. Using a technique called the Evil Containment Wave, he trapped the Demon King and sealed him away. And so his era of villainy had finally come to an end. Now, in the modern day, a nefarious individual has opened the seal, once again releasing King Piccolo into the world. King Piccolo and his minions are on the hunt to kill any fighters who could pose a threat to his evil plans. Krillin, Chaozu, Master Roshi, countless warriors have already fallen prey to his campaign of murder. The people fled in fear, but could not outrun the wreckage. It seemed that the wicked rule of King Piccolo was inescapable. Yet there are still those who refuse to give up, who dare to oppose the Demon King.
The fight's not over until only one of us is left standing!
Yet you don't stand a chance! be your undoing! You have incurred the wrath of the great Demon King! A simple death is too good for you! I want to see you suffer!
Rock, paper, scissors!
You impudent fool! It's over! Weaklings and dissidents are only fit to perish! You are no different! The world of evil I shall create has no place for you! I will crush you like the insect you are!
This once and for all! I'll give it everything I've got to stop you! Rock, paper, scissors!
It's over! It's over! I cannot fall here. Not like this. You're not human.
Well, you do have a tail, so maybe you're right. That's not important. All that matters now is that I'm gonna beat you with my own hands!
Do this day.
Take this!
You're dead.
Man, you really are strong!
Your end is near. You have no hope of defeating me. You miserable cretin!
Hey!
Take one step closer, and I'll give this guy a headache he's never going to forget!
Let him go!
The weakness of you humans lies in your compassion and petty emotion. You have no hope in conquering evil until you cast it aside! Look how the tables have turned! I will not let you interfere with my reign of evil! You are as good as dead! You can't do anything now! It's all over now! And finally, I will have my victory! Only a fool would challenge the ruler of this dark new world! You're mine!
That's what you think? Don't forget, I still have one arm! come at you with everything I've got! It's here! I won! I beat him!
So, I underestimated his strength. He's won, but it will never last. My legacy will live on! Good luck, my son. I'm trusting you to get revenge for my demise. Destroy all of my enemies.
After a fierce battle, King Piccolo fell at the hands of Goku. At long last, the people were in terror no more, and the battered world drank deep of renewed peace. Sadly, that peace would be short-lived. And all because, in his dying breath, King Piccolo gave birth to the one who would inherit his cruel ways and continue his evil. King Piccolo's reincarnation would make his move 3 years later at the World Tournament. To face the impending menace, Goku sought the help of Kami and underwent training to take his strength to the next level. He then used the Dragon Balls to revive his friends who had fallen at the hands of the Demon King. With laser-sharp focus, Goku persevered through intense training in preparation for the World Tournament. And just like that, 3 years passed by.
Where could they be? They're late. Oh.
Hey, you two. It's been a while.
Hey!
Nice to see you. It's Boma. And Oolong and Poir as well.
Well, 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 that dress of yours certainly fits in all the right places.
Creep, you really haven't changed one bit, have you?
Hey, where is everybody?
We've been waiting here for them for quite a long time now, but they're still not here.
Do you know what happened to Yamcha? I thought he was coming with you.
Oh, well, he did return to West City for a short while, but then went off to train all by himself.
Ugh. That's right, by himself.
Yamcha too, huh? Krillin went off to train as well, and I haven't seen him again since. They all followed Goku's example, and then set out on their own.
Makes sense. After all, Goku got strong enough to take down Demon King Piccolo.
I still can't believe that a little runt like Goku somehow ended up saving the whole world.
Right?
Hey!
Bulma, is this a friend of yours?
No way.
Master, I'm so happy to see you. All of you are looking well. Where are Krillin, Yamcha, and Tenshihan? Did they already move on to the qualifiers?
No way! No. This can't be real! Goku!
What? Of course it's me. Who else? Oh, good. The rain's starting to let up.
Hey, tell us the truth. Are you really and truly Goku?
Stop it! Is this all because of the thing on my head? I'll go ahead and take it off. How's that? Recognize me now?
That spiky mane. That means it really is you.
That's funny. I remember you all being a lot taller than that.
And you used to be much shorter.
Oh, huh. I guess I've grown a little bit.
I can't believe it. It's utterly amazing.
Hey there! Looks like the gang's finally back together again.
It's been too long, Master Roshi.
Yep.
Hey, what's with the cold reception?
He's just shocked at how much we've all changed. Isn't that right, Master? Hey, I know it's hard to believe, but it's true. I've gotten a lot taller since you last saw me.
You look great, Krillin.
Huh?
We're all together again.
Wait. Is that really you? Goku?
Yep.
Goku! It is you! I missed you! I never got a chance to say thank you!
Huh? That's really Goku then? It seems so.
Attention to all would-be contestants for today's World Tournament. The application booth closes soon. If you want to compete but haven't signed up yet, you'd better hurry and write your name. Attention! Last call for fighters to enter the tournament. I repeat,
Oh, that's right.
this is the
I'm
last
guessing
call.
none of you have registered as of yet. Don't lose because of a technicality. That would be a real shame, especially after 3 years of intense training.
True. Hey, Goku, we don't want to be left out. Come on, let's go register.
Right.
The Warriors reunite, and the 23rd World Tournament begins.
Master Roshi, Krillin, and Chaozu really came back to life. What a relief. If they hadn't, I would have left right this instant to gather up the Dragon Balls. I haven't been to one of these in way too long. I'm gonna win this time.
Take a look around. Thanks a million.
Welcome! Really? Welcome! Come on back now.
Glad to see you. Thanks for your business.
Not here. That's not right. Not here. That's not right. Not here.
While you were off with Kami, Yamcha was doing some great drill on his own, actually. Even I can't wait to see you and Yamcha face up, and I can't wait to see you and Yamcha face up in the finals.
Good job taking down that Piccolo guy. You really are
I wasn't going to let anything stand.
Meanwhile, all I could do was track down the bodies of our fallen friends.
And that's the only reason we were able to find them all.
Thanks, Goku.
I never would have guessed a shrimp like you would.
I've been so busy training, I didn't really notice.
Anyways, thanks for stopping King Piccolo and bringing our friends back. You did good. You've grown into a fine young man, Goku. As if. Like I'd really say something like that.
Well, fella, you're the reason I'm back on old terra firma.
Aw, shucks, no need to thank me, Master Roshi.
You've gotten stronger since I last saw you, haven't you? I expect you to show me how far you...
You got it!
Thank you. I did my very best to help Bulma and Yamcha.
Boy, Goku, you really put on some height, didn't you? Still, it's great to see you. I mean it. Better head to the reception desk. Better head to the reception desk. If you don't, you can kiss your spot in a tournament. Better head to the reception desk.
It's because of you that I made it back to the land of the living. Thank you for that.
Of course! I'm glad you're back.
I owe you my life. Thank you.
First you beat King Piccolo, then you disappear to train. In the meantime, you grew up as well. I truly can't wait to...
That makes two of us.
Have you registered? Have you registered?
It's been 3 years since you defeated King Piccolo. I hardly recognize you, Goku.
Bulma did say something about me looking...
Talk about nothing. You'd better get a move on and get registered. Yo!
Huh? Are you signing up for the World Tournament too? In that case, please register here. Yes, of course. Let's get you signed in then. Your name is... Goku. Did I get that right? All right, your registration is complete. Best of luck out there. Make sure to give it your all.
Attention! Calling all contestants for today's World Tournament. The preliminaries will be starting soon. Please gather in the hall.
It seems the tourney's about to begin.
Say, Master Roshi, did you bring my old gi by any chance?
Don't talk nonsense, Goku. My students are walking their own path these days. You can't be milling around in your old turtle school gear forever. Now, off you go.
Yes!
I can't believe Goku's all grown up. He's gotten pretty studly.
Blech! You're the worst sort of woman.
We're here at last, and I have a front row seat. Time to see how much stronger they've gotten.
Ta-da! Eat your heart out. Isn't it great? I just knew Master Roshi wouldn't let us have our old uniforms back. That's why I had this one altered in the uniform room.
Great minds think alike.
Me too.
Great. And here I thought I'd one-up you two. Huh? What's wrong, Goku?
That guy looks like... But that's impossible.
Piccolo, I knew you'd show up eventually.
Goku, is it possible? Did one of Piccolo's henchmen survive?
Yeah, you could put it that way. Let's keep this to ourselves for now. We don't want to upset everyone and stir up trouble.
That guy's strong, I can feel it. You know him, Goku?
Oh, not really. He does look pretty tough though, doesn't he?
Hi, Goku.
Hmm?
Huh?
Do I know you?
What?
You fool!
Wow, what a strange girl.
Goku? Who is she?
She's beautiful. A real dream. When did you meet a girl like that?
No clue. I've never seen her before in my life.
Okay, what are you playing at? She clearly knows you. And here I believed you spent that time training at Kami's place.
But I did.
Thanks for your patience, contestants.
Huh. Guess we better get going.
You fiend. I'll get to the bottom of this, believe you me.
If you say so.
The preliminaries are about to begin. Please, gather in the center.
Owie. Damn, so strong.
Hey, it looks like the preliminaries are basically over.
Yes, I think you're right.
Look, they posted the tournament matchups.
Awesome, let's go check it out.
We'd better hurry along, too.
Right. All of our boys passed the preliminaries, but we still don't know who's fighting who. Oh, come on! I can't see the matchups with all these jerks in the way.
Poir, can you see it? How about you read it to us?
Sure thing. Let's see. The first match is Tian. I can't quite read who his opponent is. Some kind of mercenary?
A merc, huh?
Ooh, maybe she's one of those femme fatales. Can't wait to get a look at her.
You old bletch.
The second match is... Oh, it's Goku up against... Anonymous.
Well, that's a first.
A nameless fighter? I wonder what they've got to hide.
The third match is Krillin. He's fighting someone called Junior.
Something about that name gives me the creeps. Wonder what Baldy is up against.
The fourth match is Yamcha. He's up against someone called Hero.
I hope they all make it through their first match.
Of course they will. They all trained really hard.
That covers almost everyone. But wait, what about Chiaotzu?
Chiaotzu? Huh. Now that you mention it, I didn't see his name.
What could have happened?
Ah, there you are!
Master Roshi! Hey, guys.
I suppose we'll get that story later.
So anyway, everyone made it through the preliminaries, except Chiaotzu. He was injured.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear it. How's the poor boy doing?
They took him to the hospital for treatment.
I see. Hopefully he makes a swift recovery.
So who did that to Chiaotzu anyway? Not just anyone could hurt him like that.
That's what I'd like to know. Master Roshi, do you know Master Shen's younger brother? A guy named Mercenary Tao?
Mercenary Tao? He's the one who beat Chiaotzu? That can't be. Right, Goku?
Right, I beat him ages ago at Korin's tower. He blew up and everything. I was sure he was a goner.
He's still alive, half alive at least, and half robot it seems.
Mercenary Tao wants Tien and Goku dead. And in the first match, he'll get his chance with Tien Shinhan.
Heaven's sake. Well, where is Tien now?
He's alone gathering his thoughts. He said he'd need perfect focus for this.
He'll be fine. A guy like that doesn't stack up against Tien.
I'll make you eat those words.
Master Shen?
A piece of advice, if I may. You Turtle School saps ought to turn tail and run before you meet an unfortunate end.
Let's get one thing clear, you sorry excuse for a teacher. Tien is no longer with the Turtle School, and neither are these three here. The students have surpassed their master, and now they're each blazing their own path.
Oh, those aren't Turtle School uniforms on their pathetic backs.
They made those themselves, out of respect for yours truly.
Yeah, what he said. Unlike you, Master Roshi inspires tons of respect.
Fine, put on airs while you still can. Just know that you cannot begin to comprehend the strength of Cyborg Tao. How exciting it would be if Tien and his friends had even the slightest hope of beating him.
Oh, gag me with the spoon. That fossil hasn't changed one bit.
Calling all World Tournament fighters. The matches are about to begin. All contestants, please gather in the Martial Arts Temple main building.
Oh, it's time!
Good luck, you guys!
Off you go. We'll be watching. Show us how strong you've become.
Right.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hey!
Later!
Hello.
Nice! I've got plenty of energy now. My energy's overflowing. Woo! Ooh, this looks tasty! All right. How's this? Oh, get a load of that. All right. Oh, get a load of that! found a good one! Nice! I've got plenty of energy now. Yeah! Nice! I've got plenty of energy now. Nice! I've got plenty of energy now. Woo! I sent someone strong! Woo! I sent someone strong! Out of my way! Nice! I've got plenty of energy now. Woo! I sent someone strong! Out of my way!
Don't try me! Don't try me! I'll rip you to pieces!
Out of my way! So plenty of energy now. Woo! I sense someone strong. Yeah! Ooh, someone's there. Ooh, someone's there. Nice! I've got plenty of energy now. Yeah! Ooh, someone's there. Out of my way! Woo! I sense someone strong. Ooh, someone's there. Yeah! Ooh, someone's there. It's over! Take this! Woo! Yeah!
Welcome.
Thanks so much.
Hello.
Hey!
Yep.
Right.
Thank you!
Yep. How's that?
Okay. Okay.
What should I do?
Right.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Right.
Let me see.
Very well.
Hey!
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Hey!
Yep. Yeah!
Ooh, someone's there. I found a good one! Ooh, this looks tasty! Hey there!
Oh.
Hmm.
Hey! Thank you kindly.
Now where could they be?
Bye!
Yeah! Yeah! Nice! One more should do it. That's everything. Hey there!
Thank you kindly. Ho 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 ho!
Huh?
Oh, wow!
Hey!
Woohoo! Yup. Woohoo! No, no, no. Greetings.
Hey!
Thank you so much.
Thank you kindly. Woohoo!
Huh?
Yup. Ho 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 ho! Woohoo! No, no, no. Yup.
No.
Yep.
Oh, wow! Woohoo!
Hey!
Oh my.
Whew. Whoa, now.
What should I do?
No.
Whoa, now.
Whew. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Give me a break.
Many thanks. Yep.
Hey! After that meal, I can fight at full power!
Oh, well now.
Nice! I've got plenty of energy now. Ooh, someone's there.
Try this!
Yeah! Woo! I sense someone strong! Ooh, someone's there! Woo! I sense someone strong! Out of my way! My energy's overflowing! Ooh, someone's there! Nice! I've got plenty of energy now!
You have no interest in becoming a god?
No way!
Oh, well now.
Welcome.
Thanks so much.
I'm fighting.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm more curious about your female opponent.
What's up?
Gotcha. I'll pop by later. Yeah! Yeah!
Glad to see you. Thanks for your business.
Welcome! Really? Welcome! Come on back now.
What's up?
Hey!
And so it begins. Just wish I could shake those pre-match nerves.
Oh, I almost forgot. I brought you guys something real nice to eat. They may look like normal beans, but just one will keep you full for 10 days.
Those are sensu beans, right? Me and Yamcha have some too.
You do? Does that mean...
That's right. We all climbed Korin's tower.
Then we split up and trained on our own.
Wow, what do you know?
By the way, I invited that guy Yajirobe from the summit to join us at the tournament. Looks like he didn't show up.
Yeah, he'd hate this kind of thing.
As if. I showed up, but only to get shown up. That damn hero. He may look like a pushover, but that old geezer is anything but. Talk about bad luck, getting shut down by a guy like that in the prelims.
I've been dying to ask you, Goku. How was training with Kami? Oh, I bet it was intense.
Well, intense doesn't begin to even cover it.
Well, if you're saying that, it must be serious.
Excuse me. Aren't you friends of Tenshihan?
Well, yeah. Why do you ask?
Oh, thank goodness. I saw you together during the preliminaries, so I just assumed. I have some news for you about your friend, the contestant named Chaozu. He just regained consciousness and is recovering nicely over at the hospital.
Really? That's great!
Yes, I'm happy to share such good news. I was hoping to inform Tenshihan. It's just... Well, see for yourself. I can't bring myself to interrupt.
Yeah, you made the right call. Thanks for the update.
Then I'll take my leave. Good luck to you.
Glad to hear Chaozu's on the mend.
What do you think, Goku? Should we tell Tien now or wait? I'd hate to distract him.
Maybe we should just let him focus on the match.
I wonder. What to do? Should I tell Tien about Chaozu?
It's finally time for the main event. I'll be pulverizing the infamous Junior. He's a weird one.
Just stay on your guard. This guy means business.
Don't worry. I trained so hard I could even beat you, Goku. Now watch the master at work.
Can't wait to show everyone the results of my training. Can't wait to show everyone the results of my training.
Nice! I've got plenty of energy now. He's really in the zone. I know he'd want to hear about Chaozu, but is this really the right time? Hey, Tien, got a sec?
Goku, what is it? He is? That's great. I'm so relieved.
Now you can concentrate fully on the match, right?
Right.
You're not scared to fight Mercenary Tao, are you?
He is one of my masters, and taught me how to fight. But that doesn't mean I can forgive him. Chaozu's always been by my side. I will avenge him. Huh! Yeah! Hua! Phew. How about we take a break?
I can still fight, Tien!
Chaozu.
I want to be able to help you. Let's get stronger together.
You busy little bees.
Master Shen!
Oh. It's been a while. Tien and Chaozu, was it?
Mercenary Tao.
Today I thought I would put you through the ringer, as it were. I asked him to attend the training.
Normally I would charge gold for this, but I can't disappoint my adoring disciple, now can I?
Thank you very much.
Now then, prepare at once. My time is much more valuable than yours.
Right.
Tien!
An opportunity to spar with the Mercenary Tao. This is a huge step toward becoming an assassin.
Now then, begin!
As you command.
At least you're staying now then. I suppose I should have a bit of... Show me what you're capable of. Come at me like you mean it. Sir! Here I go!
Don't unraid! Try me!
Here I go!
No!
Here I go!
Do it! My attacks are landing even on an opponent like Mercenary Tao!
Not bad at all. The sharpness of your strikes, your defense, the movement of your legs, all top-notch. Here I go! Show me more of your techniques. Really go for it.
Sir!
Here I go!
Now!
Nice try.
Now!
That's not enough.
Of course not. I'd be worried if that was enough to take you down. I'll give you a smorgasbord of strikes. Don't disappoint me. Show me more of your
Now!
Consider what an assassin needs. An attack with that intent.
Agility to exploit a moment's weakness. Skills to hit vitals. That's not what Mercenary Tao is talking about. The answer is...
You can discern the skill of an assassin by whether or not they can use it. So then, what about you?
What is this? None of my attacks seem to be hitting. He's so calm. I wonder if my attacks are even landing on him.
0 points. You have certainly learned the bare minimum. But beyond that, you are decidedly lacking. You went hard on the offensive, but lacked the courage to finish me. What is your fist for? Is it not an instrument for killing?
But how could I possibly kill my own teacher?
Pathetic. Your heart is weak and soft. An assassin must have the resolve to kill their target, no matter who it is. Very well. This is a prime opportunity. I shall correct your wayward heart here and now. This is going to hurt. Stand up. Don't think this will end so easily. Weak. Deplorable. You lack bloodlust. Without it, you will never become an assassin. How long do you intend to nap? Come at me with the intent to kill, or it will be you who dies.
Please, you have to stop!
Chaozu, hold your blasted tongue.
Tien's black and blue. He can't move.
So that's it. You're the reason that Tenshihan is so weak. With you around, he will never reach his full potential. I shall eliminate the problem.
Stop it. I won't let you lay a finger on him.
Tien!
Get away from Chaozu! God!
Ooh, that's an impressive amount of bloodlust there. Good, good. Still, I must reward you appropriately for directing it at me. Dodon Ray! Fortify yourself. Quickly! You will never be able to reach my level through ordinary training.
Thank goodness! You're awake!
Chaozu, where's Mercenary Tao?
He went down to the village with Master Shen.
I see. I couldn't hold a candle to him. What have I been doing this whole time?
I'm sorry.
For what?
I'm getting in your way. Staying by my side only drags you. I should get out of here.
What Mercenary Tao said really got to you, huh?
Yeah.
Well, he's off the mark. You don't hold me back. If anything, you've saved me.
But I'm weaker than you, Tien. I'm no help for training.
You're the only one who looks after me like this. It's because you stick with me during my training that I can get stronger. You're indispensable to me. My failure to lay a hand on Mercenary Tao isn't your fault. I was just weak. Don't worry about it.
Thank you.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
Ooh, that's an impressive amount of bloodlust there. Good, good.
An assassin needs bloodlust. He's right about that. I've worked myself to the bone every day to become an assassin. And yet...
I want to be able to help you. Let's get stronger.
Honing my skills together with Chaozu brings me joy. That's not just me following my bloodlust. It's the genuine sentiment of a true martial artist. My dream is to become an assassin. But maybe with Chaozu I could walk the path of a martial artist instead. No, that's stupid. What am I thinking? I'm destined to become an assassin.
Tien, are you okay?
I've had enough rest. I should get back to training. You'll help me, won't you?
Of course.
In the end, I abandoned the path of the assassin and chose to be a warrior. You, Master Roshi, and the others helped, of course, but that's why. Him getting taken out by an assassin like mercenary Tao doesn't sit right with me. I'll avenge Chaozu with my own hands. I swear it.
I see. Still, I don't think you've got to worry all that much. You're way stronger than mercenary Tao. I mean, you know that, right, Tien?
Hard to say. It's difficult to predict how a match will go.
Not for me. There's no way you're gonna lose to that jerk.
Never thought you'd be the one who's got my back.
If that's how you feel, I guess it won't be that hard to take this year's tournament, too.
Hey, not gonna happen. I'll win the next match, you'll see.
Don't go losing your first match, you hear? I'm looking forward to our fight.
Good luck, Tenshihan. There's no way Tien will lose to mercenary Tao. Yeah! Woo!
It's been a while, Goku. I see you made it through the preliminaries. Though I suppose that several of your friends made it to the main event as well. That's no mean feat. Make sure to put on a good show like always. I can't wait to see you in action. Look at me talking your ear off. The main event's about to begin. Are you ready? Oh yeah, I can see you're raring to go. Very well, just a moment, please. Let's get it on! Ladies and gentlemen, your patience is appreciated and it's about to be rewarded! The 23rd World Tournament begins now! The first match will be Mercenary Tao facing off against our previous champion, Tenshihan. Fighters, take your places!
Behold, revenge in motion.
Don't worry, traitor. I'll allow you to live. This tournament only permits a light maiming. After I beat you and Goku, I'll treat myself to a nice celebratory meal.
The first match is underway. Ready? Then let the match begin! Tien's attack blasts Mercenary Tao!
Are you sure you're ready for this? Excellent. Then it's time to take out the trash.
Both Tenshihan and Mercenary Tao are formidable martial artists! Tien guards against opposing attacks! Tien guards against Mercenary Tao's initial attack! Enjoy this!
Tien guards against incoming attack! Tien guards against mercenary Tao's incoming attack! This is the first time that Tien's opponent, mercenary Tao, has graced the World Tournament arena! Now, the more much about this fighter, but one look at him tells you he's no ordinary foe! You're just an ungrateful fool who defected to that damn turtle school.
This has nothing to do with the Turtle Hermit's teachings. I
You dare lecture me? You've forgotten your place. Facing the arena in all his glory is the courageous champion of the previous World Tournament.
Why'd you harm Chaozu? There was a better way.
But do not fool yourself into thinking you've seen the extent of my power. I have simply been toying with you.
You have more to give. Now is the time. Getting knocked out of the tournament without giving it everything you have lacks honor.
You insult weakling! How dare you insult the great mercenary Tao!
It was not meant as an insult. Just an unpleasant truth.
This is rich. If you're so intent on incurring my wrath, so be it. Oh my, that was painful.
Mercenary Tao, don't tell me that's all you've got.
Tien's voice will be heard. He clearly intends to bring the fight to mercenary Tao. Here I go. Mercenary Tao.
Let's end this here. This match is all but decided.
This can't be happening.
Mercenary Tao, I'll forgive what you did to Chaozu. Stop this. There's more to me than you realize. I've grown much stronger.
You're just scared.
You and your brother taught me how to fight. I'm truly grateful for that. You need not lose in disgrace. Walk away.
Bastard! I'm gonna rip your eyes out!
A knife? He has a knife! Tournament rules forbid the use of weapons. Disqualified. The winner is Tenshihan!
Oh, be quiet. I don't care about your match.
You are pitiful and have no honor.
Wrong. I have the honor of killing you. Now silence while I finish this. Introducing the Super Dodon Ray. I've been dying to use this all day. There's no escape. The ray is set to your biosignature. No matter where you go, it will track you. You act tough, but inside you're just scared. Prepare yourself.
Go ahead. Try it!
Your arrogance will be your undoing. Super Dodon Ray! I don't believe it! It can't be! How? How did you escape certain doom? My flawless ray!
What? Oh no! He'll be asleep for a while. Take him back home. And please, for your sakes, never show yourselves around me again. Goodbye, Master.
You filthy traitor! I swear, you will not die peacefully.
You did great.
Thanks.
He's so strong.
Fighting Tien won't be easy.
Next, we have our second match in the quarterfinals. This tournament is already an exciting one.
We'll begin once the fighters are ready. Stay on the edge of your seats.
All right, looks like it's my turn.
You're going against that cutie, eh? Ooh, I'm green with envy.
Not this again.
Sheesh. Hey, Goku, goes without saying, but tell the staff when you're ready to fight.
Right. Tenshihan. It's like he's a different person than he was in the last World Tournament. Well then, I'll just have to keep up the momentum. Nice! I've got plenty of energy now. All right!